Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and let's jump into today's project. Today we're gonna flip a beautiful lampshade, black lampshade that I have, and we're gonna use for that twine. Yeah, just twine. We're gonna use 3 of those. Our hot glue guns, and we're gonna tie it around. I saw Lone Fox do this and I'm so in love with his. But mine, it's not gonna have tassels because I want it for the Halloween season. So we're gonna glue some of that hot glue on the inside and we're gonna start wrapping our twine around, just pressing it down. Now let me get my finger protector because yeah, it's hot glue. And we're gonna continue repeating that all around our lampshade. And just like that, we will have a beautiful lampshade covered out of twine. Remember that if you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, and lots of silly jokes, that's what I do here. Subscribe! Now, when you finish one of your spools, you're gonna take the other one and we're gonna add more hot glue and glue that twine to the back and then continue wrapping. Now I'm doing 3 strands at a time. And what I'm doing is wrapping those 3 strands and making a line with my hot glue, like a zigzag line. Yeah, just like that. Let me show you that again. We do 3 strands, zigzag line of hot glue, press it down, and continue. And we're gonna do that all around our lampshade. Just put on a playlist from YouTube or maybe a show on Netflix and you will have a most relaxing craft on your hands. And we're gonna continue just wrapping it around just like that, really nicely, beautifully, really tight. Remember, it needs to be tight. And now that we're finishing, as you can see, I'm using a silicone spatula because I burned my finger protectors. Yes, I can even melt those. But we're pressing it down using our silicone spatula. And believe me, this was a better idea than using those finger protectors. So we're gonna continue just wrapping it around like that and pressing it down really nicely until we finish covering up our lampshade. When we finish with that, we're gonna glue it to the inside, the excess, and that will be it. We will move on to making this lampshade a pendant light. Now for that, I'm just using some fishing line and tying it to the rods, the metal rods that the lampshade has. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab one of those shower curtain rings that you can find at the dollar store. And we're gonna just put it on the top part after we're finished, just like that. And then we're gonna move on to the mechanism. So we're doing that pendant light thingy. We're gonna take that thingy and just tie it with a strap, just like that, a zip tie, and that's it. We cut the excess and we have the most beautiful pendant Halloween lamp. This is part of the Flippin Friday hosted by Jamie from Board or Bananas and Board or Bananas DIY. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of her channels so you can go and check her out. I know you're going to love her. And also go and check out the playlist because I know you're going to find lots of beautiful inspiration. And this is how my pendant lamp turned out. As you can see, I have it here right next to a window and it just gives me that perfect creepy cute look with a dim type of light. Look at that. The inside it's cute as the outside, and this is perfect for your Halloween, and also you can transition it to your Christmas decor. It's just cute and made by Twine. You can use it even in your Christmas decor or all year round. It all depends on you. Remember that I'm gonna leave you in the description box down below the link to Jamie's channels so you can go and check her out, and also I'm gonna leave you the link to the playlist so you can go and check out what everyone else came up with. Remember that if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye bye.